Exactly right. Get on with the game. General, choose for gin.
Can you dig it? Can you dig it?
Legion of Doom, I'm certain you heard the comments earlier on from the men that are going to be challenging you tonight for these titles. Power and Glory, Paul Roma, and the mighty Hercules Hill.
That's right, Gene. I got her back there watching Mother, and we couldn't help overhearing you two little geeks. No idea. You tell us we don't deserve to be champions. You tell us you're going to show us where the power and who is the war. How do you think we got to be world champions? By beat nobody. We beat the best and the world of the best. As long as we're going to be champions, swelling of the blood sac surrounding the brain, contusions, inner bleeding. These are the things that our dreams are made of. Power and glory, and you'll soon be renamed Power and Glory. Cause when we get done with you, your brother won't accept the looks that you have to throw above the ring. From one end to the other, winner.
I don't know if I should touch on it, but it's conceivable the two of you are going to be involved in the gigantic battle royal at the end of the night. Now, I tried to ask the two men of the ring at the end.
Everybody's talking about this.
How do we go last year?
Also, talking about
Your personal friend, Rob Silver, I
man, he called me on the phone right before it was released. He says, Macho Man. I said, he called me man. I said, I love you, man. I said, Macho Man is Macho Man
bang, 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 bang. Yeah. Yeah.
That was fucking amazing, no? That's some serious fucking
Got a bit more if you want it. A bit more.
Give it up.
He's got a bit more if you want it, man. John, yeah, we're done.
Give it up. Kristian Gjerstad. Peter Parker. Hexagon blood. Amazing. Okay, so chill for a minute.